This summer, the Riverside Police Department is handing out tickets, but in a good way. When we see juveniles in the streets being safe and wearing their helmets, riding their bikes, we're going to reward them. Riverside Police Department will stop, get out with them, and hand them a ticket. But the pizza ticket. A pizza ticket can then be used at Arnieris and cashed in for a slice of pizza and a boost, courtesy of the Riverside Police Department. We want to remind all juveniles that they should be wearing their bike helmets, not just this summer, but all the time. But if we see them out, we're definitely going to reward them.